Chapter number 2, Introduction to SEO, Part 2. In Part 1, we have completed two important topics: types of SEO and techniques of SEO. Types are on page SEO and off page SEO, and techniques are white hat SEO and black hat SEOs. Today we will see some optimizing techniques. Different techniques are page structure optimization, SEO keywords, SEO social bookmarking, SEO social media optimization, SEO backlinks, etc. First, page structure optimization. Following are the techniques used to design your web page that should be ranked high in search engine result. Different page structure optimization techniques are: HTML program should start with explanatory sign doc type HTML tag. Next, slash should be used before closing singular tag. Put slash character before closing singular tag. Next point, order of tags should be in proper. If you are using multiple tags, suppose you start with B, after that I, then close that tags in reverse order. First close I and after that close B tag. Next page structure optimization technique is in title section. Appropriate title should be used in title and slash title tag. Next, meta tag should be used to boost on page SEO. Meta tag, using meta tag, you can provide extra information about your web page. So meta tag should be used for optimizing your page. The web page should include proper headings. Different headings are available in HTML: H1, H2, H3 up to H6, that should be used at proper places in your web page. Next and last, IMG tag should be used with alt attribute. In alt attribute you can provide information about your image. Using this, what will happen? See, when user will move mouse pointer on your image, it will provide extra information about that image. Consider this program. This program is developed by using page structure optimization. Here, document or web page started with explanatory sign doc type HTML tag. In title and slash title, proper title is given. This page is about computer, so title is given computer. In this page, heading tag is used h1 and slash h1. Image tag is closed with slash character, and also alt attribute is used to explain user about the image. P tag is used to display paragraph. Second optimization technique is SEO keywords. SEO keywords are important words related to your web page. Suppose you are developing web page related to computer, then words related to computer are keyword, mouse, monitor, printer, motherboard, RAM, etc. If you will put these keywords in meta tag, then if user search for RAM or keyboard or mouse, then also it is possible that search engine will display your page as a search result, because you have put these keywords in your web page within meta tag. So use meta tag to provide keywords, important words related to that page. Next is social bookmarking. Bookmarking, it is used to store links for future references. Next is fourth technique, that is social media optimization. Using social media like Facebook, Twitter, blog, forum, WhatsApp, you can share link of your website. It will also helpful to improve your web page ranking. The technique is backlinks. Backlinks are links on one website that takes user to another website. Means you can provide link of your website on your friend's website. It is also useful to popular your website. Sixth techniques is are there are combination of some techniques that are the some other factors of SEO. First factor is speed of the website. Your website speed should be proper. If you are using video or audio files, it required large storage space. Therefore, different tools are available to reduce size of audio and video files. Use the tools. Use different tools to reduce size of audio or video files. Therefore, it will not reduce the speed of your website. Next is mobile friendly. Your website should be mobile friendly. Means your website should display properly on mobile phones, because most of the users are using mobiles to browse or surf websites. Last is creating robots.txt. This file is used to exclude some pages from indexing. Means it is used to avoid or stop some pages to be indexed. Last topic is SEO audit. SEO audit helps what could be done to improve ranking of your website on search engine. Different free tools are available on internet to perform detailed SEO audit of your website. Suppose you have developed one website, and by using these tools you can check your website's ranking. Means provide your website's link to the tool, and after performing or after checking your website, it will give you detailed report of your website. This is the audit of your website. SEO audit provide some points. Example, overall ranking of your website. Means your website is designed by using optimization techniques or not. So after developing website, make SEO audit of your website. After SEO audit, it will provide detailed report of your website as shown on screen. And according to that report, make changes in website and publish that website again. SEO audit tools are available at free of cost. Links of that tools are also provided on screen. Using these tools, you can perform SEO audit of your website. Let us revise this chapter. This chapter is related to designing optimized website that should be ranked high in search engine result. In this chapter we studied two types of SEO, that are on-page SEO, off-page SEO. We studied two techniques, that are white hat SEO and black hat SEO. In part 2 we studied optimization techniques, and last topic, SEO audit, means you can make audit of your website. Different tools are used to make audit of your website that provide the detail of your website optimization. If there are some suggestions, that tool provide you suggestions. Accordingly you can make changes in your website and publish that website again.